Mystery paintings are a blast, and I finally have my post review and my Slashthestash2020 on my mystery painting with the little girl and the wonderful elephant. For some reason, I thought the elephant was standing on a pumpkin. Brian must have really laughed about that because he's the one that picked out the mystery painting. So let's flip this camera around and let's see what I think of Evermoment and their square drills. And do they get 5 full stars? I don't know. You tell me. Hey, so it is time for another post review. I know I'm a little bit behind, but it is Slashthestash2020 and it's still 2020. So I think I'm doing pretty good. This is my review of my Evermoment mystery painting. Brian did a great job of picking this painting out. Now I am surprised because I do have a painting just like this that I got from another company. I actually finished it. It's in my portfolio, but I did not know that this was the painting as I was doing it, because the way you do the mystery painting, plus it's a different size, it was interesting to see it come about, and I actually really like the Evermoment much, much better than the other one. So thank you so much, Brian. You did a great job. What I'm going to do today is I know I haven't done it the past couple times, but I normally use my log sheet, which now is in my book if you want. There's a link down below. There's also a 40% off coupon. I don't know how long that coupon's going to last, so if you're watching this video in the future and it's not working, I apologize. But for those who are watching this almost in real time, I want to give you that opportunity. Okay, so the post review, we're first going to start on the canvas glue. This was an Evermoment. It was a 30 by 40. It is true to size. In the unboxing, I measured it, and Evermoment is square. If you can see here, these are square. I am going to talk about these missing in just a minute. Okay, so the first category is canvas glue. Could I have a complete stick? Was there slippery, rivers, bubbles, etc.? The glue was perfect. Great job, Evermoment. It is double-sided adhesive, but I had no problems with it. And so I give it a full 5 stars. Symbol clarity. Symbols were very clear. There were a couple that were hard just because they were similar. I'm going to show you some of these right here. Like this 3 spot was a little bit difficult to tell, but for the most part the symbols were very clear, and they're different than the other symbols, so it's easy to distinguish even if you're not quite sure what it is. All right, so let's look at the elephant while I'm talking, because the elephant is just adorable. Drill quality and quantity. Did I run out? That's what I was talking about. So right here, I ran out of the symbol B. I did pull from my stash and managed to get half of the symbols, but then I didn't have enough in my stash. So if you are watching this and it's only a couple days or a couple weeks after I post it, if you have 38.29 in square, that is solid quality, okay? And you would like to donate it to the Jennifer Evermoment Fund, I would love to be able to finish this painting. Otherwise, it's going to be going into storage without the bees. You can see here, I actually didn't run out. I didn't get the color, and I didn't do a great job of inventorying. I wasn't paying attention. Even creators make mistakes, and I was doing too many things at once, and I actually never received that color. It was in the middle of the pandemic, and I just didn't want to deal with having to wait 3 or 4 months. If I can't find any in a painting that I have over the next couple weeks, I may just purchase off of Etsy and spend the $3 and get myself this painting completed. Design success. I do think the design turned out pretty well for a 30 by 40. I was actually very surprised, especially because this painting has a lot more detail than I normally have in a 30 by 40. So great job on your charting, Evermoment. And the experience was a blast. The drills fit really great together. This was the storage unit I used. They fit great together. I had a great time with Brian doing it. I did some lives with it. It was a good time. So overall, I give this post review an average of, let's see, canvas glue is 5 stars, symbol clarity 5 stars, drill quantity and quality 4 stars because I did run out, design success 5 stars, and experience 5 stars. So if you pull those all together, I think it ends up being like 4.8 or something like that stars. This is beautiful. I would recommend Evermoment. They are a little bit pricier than the other AliExpress stores, but it is worth it for the quality. They do a lot more than most companies, and that's why they charge a little bit more, because you get what you pay for. So thank you so much, and thank you for participating in the mystery paintings that are going on. A mystery painting is where you get with a collab or a partner. You both order each other a painting and you don't peek. You have the thumbnail removed, or you have a friend or family member cover up the thumbnail, and then you slowly look at each piece. And some people do it straight across like I did. Some people scatter. You do what you do, and you have a lot of fun. I do know Crafting Journey, Rebecca's YouTube or Facebook group, she does mystery paintings every couple months. I also know that there's another Facebook group out there that I enjoy. I'll link them both down below. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and don't forget, slash your stash. Bye-bye.